Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video is helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the engine air filter is located under the front hood on the passenger side, right here. Now to access it you have to remove this cover, and to do that you have to unscrew a couple of screws. And I will show you now. I will turn the flash. Okay, you should have a bunch of these Phillips screws all around this cover. So you have one here, then you're supposed to have one here. Now on my vehicle there is a different screw here. My guess is somebody in the past, a mechanic, lost a screw and then they improvised and put something else inside. But usually you should have a black Phillips screw here and then one down here. Okay, I'll try to zoom it in. You see there is one here and one here on the opposite side as well. And again, one is supposed to be here. On my car it is missing. I got this car off the car auction just recently and I always like to change all the filters, oil and things like that. But like I said, so you'll have like 5 or 6 of these black screws, so just remove them all. Okay, now actually you don't even have to remove them completely out. You just want to loosen them up enough so you can leave the cover up, right? And now this is completely loose and you can see the filter down there. Now if you want, you can try to pull the filter out through this opening here, but that's gonna be quite hard without bending something or things like that. So the next step you want to do, you want to remove these holes, right? So these holes should just slide off here. Okay, sorry, I just had to use both of my hands to do this. So you will see these holes, rubber holes, just kind of slides off, right? Okay, and once that is done, then the next step, you just want to also loosen up this flat screw here, and then you'll be able to completely remove the complete cover and access the filter. It's quite easy to do. Okay, so just like I said, loosen it up, but don't remove it. Okay, this should be enough. Okay, so once this screw is all nice and loose, you can just wiggle this cover off, right? And yeah, that's it. Now you should be able to completely remove this cover. Should be able just to pull it up, and now you have full access to the engine air filter. And let's see how it looks. As you can see, this one was not replaced in quite a while. So I will put in the new filter. So before I put the filter, always make sure to inspect the airbox, maybe clean it if there is any debris inside and things like that, and then install the new filter and put back the cover, and that's pretty much everything you have to do. It's quite easy. And yeah, one more time, you don't have to remove this screw all the way, just loosen it up enough so you can wiggle that cover off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.